Hi, I'm Cristiana Silva. We are Urban Sketches Symposium 2018, and we're gonna do now it's a workshop with Simone Ridyard, and right now she's doing a bit of demonstration, and well, I'm gonna show you what she's doing. Are you enjoying this? Hello, it's a live action from Facebook.
So it's literally, so what if I decide that I want to move my stool and sit over there, I'll still be on the same eye level, but I'll have my vanishing point will just move along it, yeah? Okay. But if I stand up, that line's going to go up, yeah? Yeah. Great. And then what I just want to start doing is just putting some lines down. So I've got my eye level up there, then this sort of level.
Hi, this is live from Facebook. And say hello. Are you enjoying the workshop?
Yes.
Yes?
Very much.
Nice, nice. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Live from Facebook. Yeah, live. Wanna say hello to the world? Hello, Simone.
I'm hot.
Yes, it's a sunny day. You enjoying all the workshop?
Wonderful.
Yeah.
So just starting, just to map out a little bit at the bottom. So basically I'm drawing horizontal planes and then these lines. So the line is raw and sloping up to the vanishing point. So that's starting to give me the session. Yeah? Absolutely. Yeah, that's a really good way of saying it. And then I've got the side of this building, this cafe building. So you can't really see the roof of it, apart from just the end because there's those trees in the way, but something like that.
Sorry?
It's got an overhang. And then it looks like there's a series of columns. So again, I'm doing this very quickly, but I'm starting to map in. Yeah.
So I'm just thinking about going towards the action point, but sometimes the angle is wrong. How do you know where to start? See that angle?
I mean, literally, if I close my eyes and just hold my pencil at that angle and then put it on the page.
It's not a place for cars, but anyway.
I am going to show you something in the second part of the demo later on, a really good tip to actually help you with that. But again, perspective is there to help you. Really, I think I always say, ultimately trust your eyes. So trust your eyes and just see what it looks like, dot in where you think it is. And again, the exercise you're going to do in a little while hopefully should help you with that.
One of the things that I notice that I do is I draw what's in my head. So that angle, sometimes I'll draw it going down, and actually when I look and do the pencil, it's actually going up.
I guess that just sort of comes with practice. It will, you know, it will always go down.
Yeah.
It will, if it's above you, and then, okay, so that's the other thing. You're absolutely right in that line, because so many people do it. So, for example, in that,
Hello.
I mean, we can't, well, yes, actually, there's some, these screens, these doors that are in this cafe building. So the top of the door, I put some doors in. Doors. This is one of a little top tip that's so obvious, but my students get it wrong a lot. The top of the door is always going to go down to the vanishing point. Because it has to, because it's above you.
Yeah, well, I've never done the vanishing point, so I never know where to aim for.
Right, straight ahead of you.
Yeah.
Straight ahead of you. But take a photograph and have a look.
Yeah, I'll do.
But it's just, at top of the door, always, because it's over your head, apart from, so, we did this lecture at Canterbury last year, and there's always one, somebody found a door in the cathedral, you know, this old building, and okay, the door was this high. You would say something?
Yeah,
Yep.
so it has values sitting parallel with the
Yes.
and then
No, you'd have
the
to-
vanishing point will be there.
But it wouldn't help you at all.
So this one will not.
Planes and things that's receding. So no, it won't work. If you're doing that, that's still a perfectly nice drawing. Technically, okay, just to possibly confuse you a little bit about it.
So that was a bit of it. Now, yeah,
And you wanted to
we'll see what he's gonna do more. But
yeah.
that's pretty much it. Thank you. Bye bye.